Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the headphones and removing any cable. Next, detach the ear cups, slide gently and pop them free where the clips sit. Once an ear cup is off, inspect for screws or retaining tabs. You'll often find 2-4 clips under the foam. Keep these parts in a small container so they don't get lost. This early attention prevents reassembly trouble. Once done, lay parts out in the order you remove them to make the next steps straightforward and faster. Now you remove the old cushion. Use a plastic pry tool to separate the foam from the headband frame, working slowly around the perimeter to avoid tearing. If there's a retaining ring or small screws, remove them and note their orientation and clip placement. Take a photo if needed. Clean the exposed headband with an alcohol wipe to remove oils and adhesive residue, then let it dry completely. Doing this ensures the new cushion adheres and sits flush, preventing gaps or premature wear. To finish, align the replacement cushion's tabs with the headband clips and press evenly around the perimeter until each tab clicks into place. Don't force one area more than others. Reinstall any retaining rings or screws in the exact order you removed them, making sure both sides have equal tension. Once assembled, power on the headphones and perform an audio and fit check. Listen for balanced sound and confirm the cushion sits flush without gaps. If you hear rattles, reopen, reseat tabs, and retest. That usually fixes alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.